Hello, today I'm Dean. Bud and Kip okay, serious kid. Bud flew over to the park. He wore a hat and a badge. He had a whistle. Kip looked very serious. Bud flew down. What are you doing? Asked Bud. I am a police officer, said Kip. Haha, Bud laughed. You are not a police officer, Kip. Yes, I am, said Kip. What's this? A woman ran on a path. Slow down, he said. The woman ran past Kip. He didn't hear me, said Kip. A boy rode a bike on a path. Kip blew his whistle again. Slow down, said Kip. The boy rode past Kip. Kip frowned. A girl dropped a bag in the grass. No littering, yelled Kip. But the girl didn't even look at him. Kip sighed. You're right, but I am not a police officer. Police, Kip. Kip was sad. He wanted to be a police officer, but nobody listened to him. Don't worry, Kip, said Bud. You can pretending you're a police officer. Kip sighed. I don't want to pretend. I'm going home. Kip started to walk away. Suddenly, he saw a girl on a bike. The girl was riding fast on a path. Kip also saw Squirrel. Squirrel was walking toward the path. He was carrying a tall acorn. Oh no, said Kip. Squirrel can't see that squirrel. Kip ran fast. He jumped in from top Squirrel. Kip blew his whistle. Squirrel stopped. Wait, said Kip. The girl on a bike flew by. Now you can go. Thanks, Kip, said Squirrel. No problem, said Kip. Bud smiled. Good job, Officer Kip. New neighbor. Kip woke up and yawned. He looked outside. The sky was blue. The sun was bright. Bird was sleeping in her nest. Good morning, Bird, Kip called. Bird suddenly woke up. Oh, good morning, Kip. It's a sunny day, Kip said. Bird yawned. Yes, it is. Bird flew down to Bird Branch. Kip went down to Bird Branch. I love our tree, he said. Bird nodded. It's a quiet park and we can see the ocean, Kip said. Cut, someone yelled. Kip jumped. Who was that? He asked. Cut, someone else yelled. Bird looked up. Two crows were making a nest. Cut, the crowd yelled. They were very loud. Hello, said Bird. Who are you? I'm Cut, Mrs. Squirrel, the one crow said. Cut, I'm Miss Squirrel. We are Cut, new neighbor. Loud neighbor. Mr. and Mrs. Crow were loud. They yelled a lot. Cut! Bert and Kip went for a walk. I don't like our tree now, Kip said. Besides, our tree isn't quiet anymore. But Kip looked around. This park has other tree, he said. Are you going to move? Bert asked. Kip said. No, Kip said. We are going to move. Bert smiled. Good idea, Kip. Bert and Kip found a big tree. This tree is quiet, Kip said. Bert flew up. She found a strong branch. Kip this will hold a nest, but thought Kip needs a hole. Bird looked and looked. She didn't see any hole. Back near swoosh, a hawk flew by. Yikes! Bird hid behind some leaves. Soon the hawk left. Bird flew down. Bad near Kip, said Bird. The tree doesn't have Kip. Bird guessed. Did the hawk get Kip? Near tree. Bird flew around the tree. Kip, she cried. Where are you? She looked every branch. Bird didn't see Kip. She landed near the bottom of the tree. Poor Kip, Bird cried. Pop, Kip jumped out of a hole. Bird cried. I found a new home, Kip said. I thought a hawk got you, Bird said. I thought a hawk got you, Bird said. She sighed, but I'm glad you found a home. Bird made a nest up the tree. Kip cleaned the hole. Together they moved their thing. Kip set up his bed. He set up his kitchen, but put away her kitten things. She put away her stand. Bird found an acorn. This is Kip's acorn, she thought. Kip, Bird called. Kip looked out of his hole. Yes? Bird dropped the acorn. Bonk. Oops, sorry, Kip, Bird grinned. Serious, Kip. Error.
Kip blew his whistle.
Kip blew his whistle.
A girl dropped a bag in the grass.
A girl dropped a bag in the grass.
Kip wore a hat and a badge.
Kip wore a hat and a badge.
A boy rode a bike.
A boy rode a bike.
Bird laughed at Kip.
Bird laughed at Kip.
Excellent!
No. Hurry! I know.
Was sad.
Squirrel stopped walking.
Squirrel stopped walking.
Kip saw a girl on a
Kip
bike.
saw on a bike.
Kip was sad.
Kip was sad.
Kip jumped in front of Squirrel.
Kip jumped in front of Squirrel.
Squirrel carried acorns.
Squirrel carried a pile of acorns. New neighbor.
The sky was blue.
The sky was blue.
The sun,
The sun was bright.
Bird was sleeping in her nest.
Bird was sleeping in her nest.
Kip looked outside.
Kip looked outside.
Two crows were making a nest.
Two crows were making a nest. Loud neighbor.
Bird and Kip found a big tree.
Bird and Kip found a big tree.
Bird found a strong branch.
Bird found a strong branch.
A hawk flew
A
by.
hawk flew by.
Bird and Kip went for a walk.
Bird and Kip went for a walk.
Bird hid behind some leaves.
Bird hid behind some leaves.
Kip set up his bed.
Kip set up his bed.
Bird made a nest up in the tree.
Bird made a nest up in a tree.
Bird found an acorn.
Bird found an acorn.
Bird put away her stamps.
Bird put away her stamps.
Kip cleaned the hole.
Kip cleaned the hole. Okay, did you like my video? Give me one like, one subscribe, 1, 2, 2. Yeah. Okay. Walkie rocky. Goodbye. See you again. Hi, I'm Rocky.